Hi everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. I have two little hauls to share with you guys today. I have some from the Tailormade shop and some from Bra Builders. And I'm also gonna sort of go along and share what my ideas are for the different materials and stuff like that. So let's start with the Tailormade shop. So she was having a flash sale in which all of the laces or stretch laces were like 15% off. And I think the embroidered laces might have been 25% off. But she has a wide range of these stretch laces, the same exact lace in different colors. And I thought the colors were so unique, I wanted to pick up a couple of them. So the first one I have here is in this like really pretty blue color. Now this is a much chunkier lace than I normally go for. I normally tend to buy much more delicate things, but I just was so in love with the color combinations or the colors that I had to pick it up. So this one is just really, really pretty, sort of like petrol tealy leaning blue. And then the next one I have, she has listed as chartreuse, and oh man, do I love this color. I think a lot of people would think this is an ugly color, but this is right up my alley, this sort of like pea soup kind of baby puke green. I really, really love it a lot. And what I am going to do with this, I actually dyed findings up a couple of months ago in, this is Pro Chem dye, and the color I think is Golden Pear, and I think it looks perfect with the chartreuse green. So when I got the lace in, I was like, oh yeah, this will go great with the findings. But then I started thinking that I love the combination of this blue and the green together. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a bra that has both of these laces in, or I might use these Golden Pear laces with the blue bra or blue lace to have sort of like a contrast to it. I think that might look really pretty. And then I'd have to think about what I'm gonna put with this chartreuse lace. If it's gonna be another like matchy, or I could just dye something up completely different and get another look altogether with this one. So those are the two laces. And then the third lace I got, again, it's the same exact lace, just in a different colorway. So the last one is this really pretty terracotta color. I think this one is really stunning, and I don't think I've seen a whole lot of laces in this colorway. It's a very soft orange, which I particularly like, and it leans more on the sort of like brick undertones, so it definitely looks like terracotta pot, like it's that kind of orange, but a little bit more muted. I think it'll be great for fall. Again, it looks really cool with this green. Like these colors are just so unique, and so I thought it was worth buying. I think they were like, with the sale, I think they might have been like $3.25 each, and I got a yard of each of them, because I just like, I feel like when you see unique colors and stuff like that, you should just go ahead and get it, because I don't know how often stuff like this is going to come around. So in addition to those laces, I also purchased some more of her Bra Tulle. I made a couple of bras with her Bra Tulle already. I currently have olive, nutmeg, ivory, and white, and so I wanted to pick up a couple more colors. She recently released what she's calling her like autumn color story of the tools, and it was really interesting because they're not colors that I would necessarily think of as autumn. So for instance, these two colors were in the autumn colorway, but they're really pretty, so I'm gonna buy them nonetheless, even if they don't scream autumn to me. She also had some interesting like fuchsias and orchids that were in the autumn curated collection. So the first one right here is denim, and my ideas for this initially were to use this sort of in conjunction with this lace that I purchased a while ago from AliExpress. Let me move some of this out of the way. So I was thinking about using this in conjunction with this lace from AliExpress. Getting it in person, the blues aren't really a great match for each other, but I don't know. I'm back and forth on this, because obviously when you're using Bra Tulle, you're only going to be using it like 2 layers at a time, and I think in that case it's not as obvious that these aren't a great match for blues. But also Bra Tulle is nylon, so if I wanted, I might kind of over dye with just a little bit of, I think it needs a little bit of yellow added to it to make it more of this greeny blue. So I might be able to over dye and get something that looks more similar to this. So I'm going to play around with that. So that is the denim Bra Tulle. And then I got Mango Bra Tulle. And if you guys have been following me for any amount of time, you know that like greens and yellows are my jam. So of course I had to pick up this mango yellow, and I think that mango is the perfect description for it. That's definitely exactly the color that it looks like the flesh of a mango. And I saw on her shop that she also has mango stretch mesh, like micro mesh. So if it's still there when I go to pick out my December Tailormade collaboratory stuff, I might decide that December is going to be underwear month and pick up the mango micro mesh to go with this and maybe some other ones, because I think it would be really cool to have just this bright, fun, punchy yellow set. And then the last bra tool that I picked up from Tailormade in this round is her pink lemonade bra tool. And so the intention of this is, of course, was to make the Lily of the Valley bra. I think I've showed you guys those materials already up on my channel. So I was looking for the soft pale pinks to go with the lace and stuff like that. So this one already has a project that is in the works for it. In addition to these fabrics and laces, I did pick up just some odds and ends from the Tailormade shop, because she is currently like selling all of her old inventory of findings, because she's got a new supplier. So I picked up, you know, some white hook and eye, stuff like that, things that I know that I can use, but I just don't have to show here because that's not very interesting. So the next order I placed was with Bra Builders, and I just got a couple of things, but some new colors, so you guys can see those. So this is Bra Tulle from Bra Builders, and this isn't my favorite bra tool. I definitely like Emerald Air Bra Tulle, or I like Emerald Air and Tailormade Bra Tulle a little bit better. This has a little bit more of stretch to it. It's pretty good in one direction, but it's a lot stretchier in the other direction. It's still pretty easy to work with, but just not my favorite sort of bra tool. I got this colored in Emerald, which is one of the special colors. And the reason that I got this one dyed is because I want to compare it with this mineral sediment lace that I purchased from Lily Pad Designs a couple of weeks or months ago. And I thought that Emerald would be a good match to it, and it looks like it is. So I want to do like a sheer, probably going to do like a Fenway with a sheer upper cup in this, and then the lower cup using the mineral sediment lace. So that's the plan for that. And then I also got some findings dyed in Emerald as well. So like I said, the idea was doing a Fenway bra. So I did pick up a bunch of fold over elastic. I think this is probably 3 yards that I can do underwear. So fold over elastic, underband, channeling, strapping, and a 3x3 hook and eye in the color Emerald. And then I think these are just findings kits. So I really like purchasing her findings kits. Unless I know, like for this bra over here, I know I needed different things. Like I didn't need underarm elastic, I needed fold over instead. And in that case, I'll piecemeal it together. But it's always cheaper to buy the finding kits. So the finding kits that I purchased are in Espresso, which is a really, really gorgeous dark brown color. Like, I don't think that the camera is doing this justice. It has such a rich, deep, beautiful color, and I think this would look stunning on many skin tones, not just as a match for a skin tone. Yeah, so I got the findings kit, which has the narrow picot, 5/8 picot. I always add on the extra 1/2 inch elastic because I like doing elastic straps, underwire channeling, some cotton twill tape, rings and sliders dyed to match, and a 3x3 hook and eye. So that's the color Espresso. And then the last color, I think this is called, it had 2 different colors on the website. I think it was called Aster, and it was also called Violet in some places. So I'm not sure which is the accurate color, but again, it's just a findings kit. So I have rings and sliders dyed to match, and then, you know, strap, 5/8, 3/8, channeling. Why can't I think of what this is? Twill tape and a hook and eye. So I don't really have any plans for these 2 sets. I just have been loving her new colors lately, and I wanted to try a couple more of them out. So no specific plans for these, just I'm obsessed with color and I wanted to buy them. So those are all of the things that I have in these two hauls. I hope you guys have enjoyed, gave you some ideas, maybe got you excited about some different colors and stuff, and I will see everyone next time. Take care.